Every bit counts when you're streaming over a limited bandwidth. But what if you could tell your encoder exactly what matters most? Introducing TBS2604 PoE, which supports ROI encoding. ROI encoding prioritizes your bitrate. It gives the highest quality to the areas you care about. It's the ultimate hack for low bandwidth environments and professional surveillance. The TBS2604 PoE supports up to 8 independent ROI zones. Setting it up is a breeze. Let's preview the stream in VLC first. Then go to Laboratory page, ROI section. Enable the ROI, select region, and adjust QP offset. That's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials and product updates from TBS.